This is a closer look at the replacement carburetor for the Craftsman model SB470 snowblower. This is the 28-inch model. This is the carburetor you're going to need to pick up if yours went out. A lot of times these Craftsman machines, these engines, they're notorious for if it sits over the winter, the fuel gels up in here. Even like I use the additives. We have 3 of these machines. We operate a property management business, so these are our go-to snow removal machines. But even if you put the additives in the gas, sometimes the jets and the float in here, it just does not take well with the cold months. But this is the replacement carburetor, same thing that's on the original Craftsman. I bought several of these replacements. It's got all the exact same parts right here. So basically, you're just gonna take the cover off. It's about 4 bolts, and then it exposes the choke area right there, and then it's got the 2 bolts that come in right here. This is probably going to take, if you haven't taken one apart before, probably a 30-minute time frame to get it off and get the new one back on. Basically, you're just going to unbolt it. The 2 lines just go in right here for the I believe it's the throttle right here. And then this is the choke area. It just sits back in here, and the 2 bolts go right in here. The gas line goes in here, and the pump one goes on this side right here. But this is again, it's just a direct, exactly what the manufacturer puts on here. And it's, again, I bought several of these. It works really well. Comes with all the gaskets you're going to need. So if you have a Craftsman SB470 28-inch snowblower and you're not able to start it up, it's probably the carburetor, and it's just going to be a lot easier to replace it. I have tried taking them apart before, and just to no luck. It's always just easier just to put the new one on. Just goes by a lot quicker, saves a lot of time, and just, again, really good, reputable part here.